Today we are doing an extreme closet clean out and I am so excited for this. How long has it been since my last closet clean out? A while. Let's take a look. So if you guys recall, I actually hired a professional organizer to come and help me clean out my closet last time because it just felt like such a daunting task and I didn't know where to begin, and I learned so much from her. I'll have my original video linked down below if you're interested. But that was uploaded on June 10th of 2018, which means it was filmed probably like a week before if I had to guess. Just to put that into perspective, that was like, I don't know, 10 days after I met Connor. Like we had been on max 2 dates at that point if I had to guess. Insane. So needless to say, it is far overdue. It's gotten to the point again where I've run out of hangers and I'm doubling things up on hangers, which is not good. And I have so many hangers, so there's absolutely no reason for that. And the solution cannot be to buy more hangers. It has to be to get rid of some stuff. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. This is a task that I have put off and put off and put off for months and months and months because A, I didn't really have time to, and B, it's so time consuming that I just didn't want to do it. But now we're all in quarantine and I have so much time on my hands, so I figured now is the perfect time to just get around to doing it. Let's go ahead and dive in. We're gonna try to be really strict about what I keep because I don't wear so many things in my closet and I just need to get rid of them at this point. So just to give you a base overview here, actually, to start, this door of my closet won't even stay closed. Just won't. And it used to be able to, so that's not good. This is sort of what my closet's looking like right now. I still really like the way that it's organized. Organizing things by color from light to dark, as well as just keeping similar things together, obviously. So I'm going to keep this general layout, but a lot of this stuff can go. Like a lot of these skirts I'm just not wearing at this point. Tons of stuff is like doubled up on hangers. It's just like not working for me. So we need to go through all of this. Definitely need to go through these things. Shoes probably could use a big clean out as well. And then this stuff probably just needs to get like sort of reorganized. So I think I'm just gonna start like one section at a time. So we're gonna start with my jackets and cardigans and work our way through the closet. Looks like all of this. Oh my God. Okay, 1, 2, 3. All of this. Here we go. Okay, here we go. This is gonna be a yes. This I bought and I really like, but I haven't worn at all yet. So I guess I'll make it a maybe. Again, bought this, never wore it, so probably a no. I've had this literally since I was like 16. Like, is it time to say goodbye to it? Maybe, but I'm not totally convinced yet. This definitely a yes, I love that. This I get a lot of compliments on when I wear. This I think I have to get rid of. I never ever wore it. This I like to keep for auditions, and this is cute. Okay, how many things do we get rid of here? 6 things so far, and I'm keeping 1, 6, 7, 10. Okay, well, not as impressive as I wanted it to be, but that's okay. This, I'm on the fence about. Nah, I think I'm gonna get rid of it. I think I'm just gonna keep this as a maybe and sort of see what happens in my closet. If it doesn't look like I'm getting rid of as much as I should, it'll be first to go. I think I want to put stuff back in my closet as I go. I think it'll be easier and like create less of such a giant mess. Okay, first section is complete here. Color coordinated from lightest to darkest. Looking good, and now we're gonna go through my pants here. I don't think it's bad for pants to be doubled up on hangers, like who cares, and it probably saves some space in the closet. However, I'm making a point that nothing needs to be doubled up anymore. But when I inevitably run out of hangers again at some point down the line, pants will be the first thing to get doubled up. Back in the closet we go. So here's a debate that I have with myself quite often that I would love to get your opinion on. Do t-shirt dresses belong in the shirt section or in the dress section? You know, it's a t-shirt, but you're wearing it as a dress. So I don't know, what do you think? I'm like wondering if I should move them into dresses. Or maybe I have enough t-shirt dresses that maybe they should have their own section, like in between shirts and dresses. Ooh, here's an idea. I sort of like that. I think I'll do it. Let me separate this out. Okay, let's see. I have a million of these tie tops. Which ones do I actually need? I think I'm gonna get rid of this one. We're gonna keep this one. plain white sheer button down. What to do with you? I don't think that I'm actually gonna wear you. This is so old and it has holes in it. It was my favorite shirt for so long and I still really, really like it, but it's super, super old and has holes, so I mean, that's it. Okay, this is new. Definitely holding on to that. This I think I want to keep. It's sort of fun for like beach vacations. Look at how desperate I was getting. I was using little wire hangers. It's not good. So I just started thinking about this, and I think we're gonna do a little bit of rearranging in here as well. I think I want skirts to be next to pants, and then to be shirts, and then t-shirt dresses, and then dresses. And I think that flows pretty nicely through my closet here. Before I put that stuff away, I wanna go through these couple of skirts that I have here. Okay, skirts. Let's take a look here at what I'm going to keep. I think I'm gonna keep this, but I'm not going to keep that. Goodbye. Wait, actually I need to keep this hanger. Not going to keep this, but I am going to keep this. And I'm not going to keep this, but I will keep this. And I'm down to 3, so that's like a totally reasonable number for something that you don't wear that much of, right? I don't know. Or is that too many? Well, whatever. 3 is no big deal and can definitely fit in my closet. So I moved my skirts back in here, color coordinated, of course. Now I'm going to do tops. I mean, this is not that many tops. I mean, look, these are all of my tops right here. I can very easily hold that in one hand. I mean, it's not even a challenge. Challenge me, you know? Okay, and then here are the 2 t-shirt dresses that I was keeping with my shirts. Apparently I also was confused because I have a ton of t-shirt dresses in with my dresses. Okay, I have a lot of dresses in here for a girl who does not really wear dresses that much, so I'm guessing that a lot of this is gonna have to go. Can I pick all of these up in one go? Oh my god! Okay. Oh my god. This is without a doubt our biggest section so far. Let's see. We're gonna be critical here because we don't wear dresses that often, Jill. This is a no. This is a yes. This I think is a yes, and so is this. Ooh, that's a hanger. This? Is that the universe trying to send me a sign? I don't care. This is a mess. It's gotta go. This was literally never worn. Still's the tag on it. Goodbye. This I'll keep. This one's a no. Why do I want to keep all of this stuff? I'm gonna get rid of this. I think it's time that I say goodbye to you, but I keep you. Okay, our pile over here is growing, you guys. I don't think you can even tell, but take a look at this. Oh yeah, that's becoming a pretty big pile of clothes, which I am pretty proud of myself for, not going to lie. Okay, scooch it back. I think I'm gonna keep the, realistically, Jill, you're going to reach for this. I don't know. I don't know if I will or won't. I think this I'm gonna get rid of, but this I'll keep. That seems like a fair compromise. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, so we have to finish off our t-shirt, the dress section here. Okay, dresses, you really beat me down for something that I do not wear very often. So dumb. I do this every time I clean out my closet. I keep so many dresses. So this last section here is like jackets for colder weather and things I don't reach for all the time, but I reach for occasionally. So I don't even think I'm gonna go through these because there aren't that many of them. I am gonna swap out the hangers, but I'm pretty confident that this is stuff that I want to keep and hold on to for now at least. I might get rid of one of these puffer jackets, like maybe this little purpley one. But yeah, otherwise I'm gonna hold on to this stuff. I mean, take a look, guys. Like, we have a lot of extra space and not even all of this is like smushed together. We like smushed all of this, just like it only takes up a little bit of this rack. We have lots of space and lots of hangers, which is really nice. Not gonna lie, I feel like I might be making some mistakes with some of the stuff that I'm keeping, but oh well. All right, let's organize this a little bit. Ton of passport books, we don't need them all. So anyone else totally a card hoarder? Like this one literally doesn't even have a personal message written in it. I still need to keep it. Oh my god, an old playlist live packet. I'm such a hoarder for these too. I never want to get rid of badges and stuff, which is so stupid. And then my other suitcase goes up here as well. It's just at Connor's right now. Okay, it's time to deal with these lower shelves here. It's just gonna be such a pain. Ugh, I'm already tired of doing this. Okay, so I took a little TikTok break, which is why I'm wearing something different now. We are about to embark on going through these shelves here now. Okay, so I have like a ridiculous amount of sweatshirts. It's sort of like a bad addiction that I have because I really like them. So that's gonna be our biggest goal, is to try to purge some sweatshirts if we can. I feel bad and I like a lot of them, but I can't. We're gonna deal with that last. Let's start with the easy stuff, like jeans. I feel like a lot of this stuff can probably go. These are new, so we're keeping these. These don't fit the way that I wish that they would have, so I think we're gonna get rid of them. Keeping these. What are you? Oh, my Mickey jeans. Definitely have to keep these. These, I think I am gonna keep these. Yeah. On here we have skirts and some denim shorts, some other random stuff too that I feel like I should get rid of. This, I do really like it a lot, and it's so flattering on me, but I just never reach for it. So it sort of makes me feel like maybe it's just past. Like, I'm gonna put it in maybe. Colored skirts I still wear all the time. I feel like I'm gonna keep all of those. These shorts I like these shorts and these shorts and these shorts. Oh, this is not going well. This skirt also like so flattering on me, but I never ever wear it, and it just feels a little like girly for me or something. Like, I don't know if this is really my style, so I think I'm gonna get rid of it, which is probably what I should do with this too, but I just really like it. You know, if I'm gonna keep a lot of these, then I really should get rid of this. Each of these denim shorts serves a different purpose. Okay, they're all pretty much a different shade. These two are similar, but they're different cuts, so I feel like that's okay. Just thought I had more room where I could do like shorts and skirts in separate cubbies, but I just don't have enough room in my freaking apartment for all my clothes. Switching sides here. This is a maybe. I think I might get rid of this actually. Molly comes and sleeps in here sometimes, which is a real nightmare. Okay, I feel like we're making a little bit of progress here as far as getting rid of some of this stuff. This I stole from my mom when I was legitimately, I don't know, 15. So I think it can go. Cats Against Catcalls I think I'll keep. And then I think I'm gonna get rid of my Bernie sweatshirt. It's super cute. Maybe I'll keep it through the election, just in case he's our nom, which he probably won't be. So do I really need to? No, I don't think I do. Okay, we're gonna get rid of it. Someone will love that. And then I'm gonna keep my Gryffindor sweatshirt, even though I'm not a Gryffindor, because it was expensive. Okay, so look at this, guys. I think I might have cleared out enough that I can have room for my shorts and my skirts. Whoa, look at how nice that looks. Wow, I really like it. It's really nice right now. So the only thing we have left is shoes. Oh, my shoe collection. I just love shoes so much. I just don't really have proper storage for them, so I know I have to clear some stuff out. Okay, shoes. Let's get some shoes. My Docs, obviously I'm keeping. I kept them through many closet cleanouts, many moves when they were not stylish, because I got them when they were stylish before, then they went out of style, now they're stylish again. And I just feel like these are boots that are just gonna come in and out of style over and over again, and I'm just holding on to them for dear life. I have them in white too. So those are an absolute yes, keeping no matter what. These, they have little fuzzy tongues. Which just isn't like my favorite at this point, but they're still nice shoes. I don't know. These are adorable and the most uncomfortable shoes in the world, but we're keeping them because everyone needs a black heel. That's uncomfortable. That's sort of the rule. These I just keep because they're designer. I don't ever really wear them. I don't even think that they're really my style, but I'm just holding on to them. They're Jeffrey Campbell. They were the first designer thing that I ever bought, so I'm sort of nostalgic about them. And then black Converse, I think I might also get rid of, because again, I do not wear them. Wow, that actually went better than I thought it would. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Guys, I am very impressed with this so far. These just need a little bit of reorganization. This goes there. These go there. There we go. This is the last thing that we're gonna do, is go through these bags, and then we are done with our closet. I cannot even tell you guys how excited I am that we're almost done with this. Such an annoying task to take care of. Okay. All right, should we see if this door will close now? I still don't think it will. Maybe. Oh my God, is it happening? Oh my God, my closet door is closed. Guys, this has legitimately not happened in months. months. This door is just always a little bit open, just like that. But no, not anymore. Now it closes. Haha, yes. Wow, guys, we are done. I'm so excited. Can we talk about this finished pile of madness? I mean, guys, there is a lot of stuff in here. Oh my God, look at all of this. Whoa, I am very pleased with our results here. We have so many hangers left, I'm so excited. And let's just admire how nice our closet's looking now. Oh, it looks so good to just not have stuff stuffed in there and like all packed in, and everything has its own hanger. I mean, what a concept, right? Oh, I just love it. It looks like there's room to go shopping. And I like when my closet looks like there's room to go shopping. Oh, okay. I thought it'd be nice to end with our giant pile in the background. It may not be aesthetically pleasing, but it is very satisfying to see how much stuff I got rid of, you guys. Look at this giant pile there. Whoa. And that's it for my closet clean out. I still have to do my dresser drawers, but I'm not gonna do that in this video because I feel like it's gonna be too long already. So cleaning out my drawers is actually gonna be up on my vlog channel, so make sure you're following me over there. But okay, let's do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications, and I'll see you in my next one.